Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the OnTriggerExit function in Unity. What is OnTriggerExit? OnTriggerExit is a Unity event function that gets triggered when an object exits a trigger area. In other words, when an object leaves a collider marked as a trigger, this function is called. Use cases of OnTriggerExit. Stopping damage when leaving dangerous areas gives, for example, when a player exits a fire zone, they stop losing health. Healing mechanics gives restoring health when exiting a safe zone, for example, an ice area. Door automation gives automatically closing a door when a player leaves a certain area. Controlling visual effects and sounds gives disabling fog effects when leaving a foggy region. Creating the safe zone object. To begin, we need to create the safe zone. This will be an area where the player can move freely, but once they leave it, they will be reset to the starting position. Let's move on to our script. Most importantly, tick the isTrigger option. This allows the collider to detect when an object enters or exits without causing physical collisions. First, we'll use the OnTriggerExit function to detect when an object leaves the safe zone. This method allows us to track objects exiting a specific area easily. However, we don't want to detect just any object. We specifically need to check if the player has left. To do this, we'll verify if the exiting object has the player tag. If the object that left the safe zone is tagged as player, we'll take action accordingly. Normally, we would simply change the player's transform position to move them back. However, if your character has a character control component, directly modifying the position can cause unexpected issues. This is because character control works with Unity's physics system, and forcing a position change can lead to glitches. To handle this properly, instead of setting transform position, we need to disable the character control temporarily, move the player, and then re-enable it. This ensures a smooth transition without breaking the physics system. Detects when an object exits the safe zone using OnTriggerExit. Checks if the object that exited is tagged as player. If the player leaves, their position is instantly reset to vector 3.0. Now it's time to test. Press play in Unity. Move your player inside the safe zone. Walk outside the safe zone. Observe the console. You should see player has left the safe zone. Resetting position ... double quotes. The player should instantly be teleported to vector 3.0. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.